Imagine this. Two people start with the same income, same background, same opportunities. Fast forward 10 years, one is wealthy, living life on their terms. The other, stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. What happened? It wasn't luck. It wasn't a secret investment. It was their brain, how they trained it to think about money. If you don't take control of your mindset now, you might unknowingly sabotage your financial future. Stick with me until the end, because I'm about to show you how to rewire your brain to attract wealth instead of repelling it. The problem why most people stay broke. Most people think making money is about working harder or getting lucky. But the real issue, their subconscious programming. If you've ever thought money is hard to make or rich people are greedy, your brain is working against you. When you hear millionaire, what's your first thought? If it's negative, that's proof of your limiting beliefs. These beliefs often come from childhood. Maybe your parents struggled financially. Maybe society told you money is evil. But here's the truth. Money is a tool. And like any tool, the more skillfully you use it, the better your life becomes. The solution: rewiring your brain for wealth. Now, let's fix this. 1. Reprogram your money beliefs. Your brain is like a computer. Outdated software holds you back. Upgrade your mindset by replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Instead of "I'll never be rich," say, "I am learning how to create wealth." Small shift, huge impact. 2. Train your brain to see money differently. Ever think about buying a car and suddenly see that model everywhere? That's your reticular activating system at work. You can train it to focus on wealth-building opportunities. Start consuming financial success stories, investing strategies, and business knowledge daily. And speaking of spotting opportunities, there's one shift that separates the rich from the poor, and almost no one talks about it. Let's get into it. 3. Develop a wealth-building identity. Wealth isn't an accident, it's an identity. If you see yourself as just getting by, you'll stay there. But if you think you can act like a high-value individual, learning, investing, and networking, you'll naturally attract bigger opportunities. Self-made millionaires don't just chase money. They embody wealth-building habits long before they see results. The reward: the new you. Now, you have a choice. Ignore this and stay stuck, or start today. Small mindset shifts compound. The moment you change your beliefs, your financial reality starts shifting with it. And if you're serious about mastering your finances, I've got something even more powerful for you. Watch my next video, The Ultimate Personal Finance Guide. Stop wasting money now. It's your next step toward true wealth. Click here and start transforming your financial future today.